AI has officially entered the courtroom. Not as a witness. Not as a defendant. But as a tool. Artificial intelligence is beginning to reshape how legal work is done. Lawyers are experimenting with AI to help draft documents, courts are issuing warnings about the risks of automated text generation, and the UK has already seen real cases where AI-generated fake citations were submitted in legal filings. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. So take your seat. Because the justice system is entering a new era, and the question isn't whether AI will influence the law, but how. Section 1, the moment everything changed. For years, AI lived quietly in the background of legal practice. It powered document review tools. It helped sift through disclosure bundles. It supported research platforms. But it wasn't controversial. It wasn't headline-worthy. It was just another piece of software. Then, in 2024 and 2025, everything changed. Across several jurisdictions, including the UK, lawyers submitted legal arguments containing AI-generated case citations that simply didn't exist. These weren't minor typos. They were entirely fabricated cases produced by generative AI tools. Judges responded firmly. In multiple judgments, courts reminded lawyers of their professional duty to verify every authority they cite. They emphasized that using AI does not reduce a lawyer's responsibility for accuracy, and relying on unverified AI output can amount to misconduct. These incidents didn't shake the legal system, but they did spark a serious conversation about how AI should, and should not, be used in legal work. And instead of banning AI outright, the legal sector began developing guidance, safeguards, and controlled experiments to understand how AI might support the justice system responsibly. Section 2. What AI in court actually means. Let's clear up a common misconception. When people hear AI in court, they imagine robot judges, automated verdicts, or sentencing algorithms making decisions on their own. That's not what's happening. In reality, the justice system is exploring AI in limited, supervised, and non-decision-making roles. Think of it as a research assistant, not a replacement for human judgment. Here's what courts and justice agencies are actually testing. AI-assisted legal research. Tools that help locate relevant cases faster. These tools can speed up research, but lawyers must still verify accuracy. Courts have made it clear, AI cannot replace human legal reasoning. AI-generated summaries. Some pilot projects explore whether AI can summarize large volumes of text, like evidence bundles, reports, or transcripts. These summaries are reviewed by humans and never used as final authority. Digital evidence analysis. In areas like fraud or cybercrime, investigators sometimes use AI-based tools to sift through large datasets. These tools support investigators, they do not make findings of guilt or innocence. Citation checking systems. After several AI-related citation errors, legal tech companies and courts began exploring tools that automatically flag suspicious or unverifiable citations. This isn't about punishing lawyers, it's about preventing mistakes before they reach a judge. Risk assessment tools, international context. Some countries have experimented with AI-based risk assessments in bail or sentencing decisions. The UK has been cautious here, emphasizing transparency and human oversight due to concerns about bias. These initiatives are not about replacing judges. They're about exploring whether AI can safely support administrative or research tasks, always with human supervision. Section 3, the UK's role as a global test lab. The UK has become a significant voice in shaping responsible AI use in law, not because it's rushing ahead, but because it's confronting real-world issues early. In 2024 and 2025, several UK judgments explicitly referenced AI. Some warned lawyers about relying on generative AI without proper checks. Others dealt with disputes involving AI-generated content or training data. These cases prompted a wave of guidance and policy development. Key UK developments. Judicial guidance reminding lawyers to verify all AI-generated material. Bar Council and Law Society guidance emphasizing human oversight and professional responsibility. Government consultations on AI transparency and regulation. Pilot projects exploring safe, limited uses of AI in court administration. Academic partnerships studying how AI might support, not replace, legal processes. The UK is not conducting AI trials where AI is tested on live judicial decisions. But it is actively evaluating how AI might support legal work in a controlled, responsible way. In other words, the UK isn't racing ahead, it's trying to get this right. Section 4, The Biggest Fears. Now let's talk about the concerns, because they're real, and they're not just science fiction anxieties. Fear number 1, bias. AI systems learn from data. If that data contains bias, and legal data often does, the AI can reproduce or amplify it. This is one of the biggest reasons the UK is cautious about using AI in decision-making. Fear number 2, fake case citations. This has already happened. AI tools can generate convincing-sounding cases that don't exist. If a lawyer relies on them without checking, it can mislead the court. This is why verification is now a central theme in judicial guidance. Fear number 3, over-reliance on automation. Law is not just logic. It's judgment. It's context. It's understanding nuance, credibility, and human behavior. AI cannot replicate that. Fear number 4, privacy and data security. Court documents often contain sensitive personal information. Using AI tools raises questions about data handling, storage, and compliance with UK GDPR. Fear number 5, accountability. If AI contributes to an error, who is responsible? The answer in UK law is clear: the human professional remains accountable. These concerns are exactly why courts are taking a cautious, evidence-based approach. Section 5, The Potential Benefits. But it's not all risk. AI also offers real opportunities to improve the justice system. Benefit number 1, faster case processing. Court backlogs are a global issue. AI could help summarize documents, organize evidence, or streamline administrative tasks, freeing up human time for the work that truly requires judgment. Benefit number 2, lower legal costs. If AI reduces the time required for routine tasks, legal services could become more affordable, especially for people who struggle to access representation. Benefit number 3, better access to information. AI-powered tools could help people understand basic legal rights, draft simple documents, or navigate court procedures. This doesn't replace lawyers, but it can help people who currently have no support at all. Benefit number 4, consistency checks. AI can help identify discrepancies or missing information in large datasets. It can flag unusual patterns or highlight relevant cases. Again, humans make the decisions. AI just helps surface information. Benefit number 5, support for overloaded systems. Courts are under pressure. AI could help with administrative tasks, scheduling, document management, and other behind-the-scenes work. These benefits are possibilities, not guarantees, and depend on careful implementation. Section 6. Real cases where AI is already involved. Let's look at real examples, not hypotheticals. Case example 1, copyright and AI-generated content. UK courts have already heard cases involving AI training data, authorship, and copyright ownership. These cases are shaping how the law treats AI-generated works. Case example 2, AI misuse in legal filings. Judges have issued warnings after lawyers submitted AI-generated citations that were inaccurate or fabricated. These incidents led to new guidance emphasizing verification and professional responsibility. Case example 3, digital evidence analysis. Some investigative agencies use AI-based tools to analyze large volumes of digital evidence in fraud or cybercrime cases. These tools support investigators, they do not replace human analysis. These are real cases, real judges, and real consequences. Section 7, what the future could look like. So where is all this heading? Let's explore 3 realistic futures. Future Scenario 1, AI as a trusted legal assistant. In this future, AI becomes a standard tool, like email or research databases. Lawyers use it to draft documents, summarize evidence, and check citations. Judges use it to organize case files or locate relevant authorities. Humans remain fully in control. Future Scenario 2, AI as a decision support tool. AI doesn't make decisions, but it provides recommendations. It highlights inconsistencies, suggests relevant cases, or flags potential bias. Judges still decide everything, but with more information at their fingertips. Future Scenario 3, AI as a judge. This is the most speculative scenario. No country is close to replacing judges with AI, and current UK policy strongly emphasizes human judgment. But the fact that the question is even being discussed shows how quickly technology is evolving. Section 8, the verdict. So what's the verdict? AI is neither a hero nor a villain. It's a tool, one that must be used carefully, transparently, and responsibly. The justice system is not handing over control to AI. Instead, it's exploring how AI might support legal work while maintaining human accountability. The future of justice will be shaped by people, with AI playing a supporting role. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, it really helps the channel. And tell me in the comments. Do you trust AI in the courtroom, or should the justice system stay entirely human-led?